Hey guys, welcome back to the video.
You're good, pal. You want to do it? Taylor wanted to make a video on my channel. We're really making it work here. We're squishing. Belle's here. So we're going video number 3 of today. Enjoy. Tell them what we're doing.
Okay, so I got this for Christmas from my
Auntie
Lisa. And it's like I've been wanting
it.
it. It's this crazy
slime creation.
Art. It's from Crazy Art, so yes, I've been wanting this forever. I've been wanting this forever. So let's open it up. Let's see.
Let's open it up.
Okay.
That looks like a hole of me.
Yeah, I know. There's already
More
glitter on
glitter.
I know, there's already glitter on my floor.
Okay. So it comes with a bowl, 3 bottles of glue, 2 bottles of white slime
White slime glue.
White slime glue, and 1 bottle of clear slime glue. I'm only gonna make 1 bottle today because, yeah, it comes with some googly eyes.
I almost got your hair in my mouth.
What is this? I don't know what this is. It's like whatever it is, you know. It comes with some paint to color your slime and containers.
That is so small.
Little spoon.
A little spoon. Yes, a little.
Oh my gosh, this is what you gotta give to Mark because he likes little spoons to eat his dessert. Mark likes to eat his dessert with little spoons.
And
I eat them with teaspoons.
Oh my gosh.
And some stirring sticks. And a measuring cup that we don't need.
Oh, and that's the tea on that one.
Okay, so
Alright, what do you
we're
want
going
to
to take
make
out...
today? Oh, we don't need this. I put it back and she didn't want it. My bad.
Back over there.
Okay, we're using 1 today.
Oops. My bad. That was my fault. There we go.
Good job. Good job.
Oh,
Very well
we
done.
can't miss the activator.
So you need one of those.
Some sticks. A stick, not some
Are you using the whole bottle or no?
Yes, I'm using the whole
You
bottle.
might need one of your containers. I don't think it's going to fit in this.
It will fit, hopefully. Okay,
It should
so
if I give you
activator.
That's true.
Fun fact, they used to come in these bottles and be less glue, and now they come in bigger bottles, and I got 3 bottles. It's a good, it's good.
It's a bloody good day. It's a bloody good
I think I'm gonna put some of these in it.
It's
Oh,
a
I need
good
another
day,
stick to put the
mate.
paint in there.
So wait, which ones are you going to put in? Are we making crunchy slime?
We're gonna make
crunchy
this.
Oh, crunchy slime
Put those
so
away
satisfying.
for another day.
Are you coloring it or no?
And, yes, I am. Gotta have a good colored
What is this?
Slime.
It looks like
activator. It's contact solution and.
water. I'd probably get.
Don't drink it.
Okay.
But don't drink it, Belle.
Okay, let's get on. Don't need that. Okay.
I guess this is really you teaching us how to make slime.
Yeah.
Because I don't
Okay.
really
don't
know.
Don't get the glue out of there
I know.
Don't. Yeah, why not? Tell us why.
because it gets stuck in there and you don't get all the glue out. You open it by this.
Oh, you smart. You smart.
There's a seal. No.
Just pop
Take it off.
Eats glue while in it.
Changes the video name to Maddie inhales a lot of glue. Hospital
dies.
vlog later. I don't even know where to put this.
Ooh.
Oh, that looks so satisfying.
It's super thick.
Thicky Nicky. That's what her and Haley said. They're like thicky Nicky.
Okay. This is gonna take a quite long time.
We'll be back.
Okay,
Why
so
did I
now
do
we're
that?
gonna do the paint. You know, the paint. Okay. We're doing red because we're putting these in it, and
Sequins.
and I think that's the
Red.
only color that would be.
Rojo.
Watch me spill this everywhere.
You like my American Spanish accent?
It comes with 2 bowls?
Yeah.
Okay then. I didn't know that actually.
Be an ASMR slime video.
Okay.
Have you seen those, Belle?
No.
Oh my god, they're hilarious. I love them. Wow, so technical.
Whoa. Okay, that's good.
That was lovely.
We'll add more if we need more. Now let's just,
Ew, it's sticky. Don't get that on my floor.
Sticky picky.
Sticky nickies.
Okay, now we're gonna mix it.
Got it all.
Ooh,
Why don't you show the camera? No one even knows what's going on. Wow.
It looks like a marble.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like when you make a coffee and you put the hot water first and then you add the milk and they're like
I need more red. I don't want it to be pink.
It's not.
I hate pink.
Girl,
Say
you
it.
making a mess.
You hate pink, but your hair pink.
Ooh, yeah. About that. Okay.
About that.
I mean, that's the only color we could do the end of my hair.
No, you could have done it blue, but you chose to do pink. So.
But the blue is the worst brand on earth. It's a different
My
brand.
bad, sorry. Holy, you're just gonna use all the red?
How about that?
Hey, bad Barbie.
Yeah, I'll do it. Just give it. Yeah, hold this. Thanks.
Yeah, okay, it's yours. I'm like, I just want to shove my face in there because it looks so good, but I really think that's a really bad idea.
Oh,
It might be. Did you already put
Is it
activator?
activating it?
You didn't put activator in though. I thought.
No.
What?
The slime like pro is like even blown away. Like it's blowing me. You didn't even. Are you sure you didn't put any in?
No, I didn't.
The paint activates it.
No, it doesn't.
But look at it's activating, Taylor.
It's like
Look at
being
me.
10, it's like...
Okay, so that's what we're working with. Yeah, obviously.
She's like rubs it into her hand like a lotion.
Yeah, okay.
ASMR.
Okay.
Did I even say that right?
I got a text.
Oh,
Someone wants some wax.
magical. It comes with sparkles in it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh,
I actually really am enjoying that. Wow.
prof.
We can make...
We're all like blown away. We're just like,
Whoa. I'm shocked.
I feel like a child, but then again.
Maybe I'll save my money
after
to
what I
get one
bought
of
today.
these. I'll ask Lisa where she got this.
Yeah.
And then I could save my money to get one again.
Did you see what I bought today? Do you see that on my bed?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it Dino Foot?
Belle will get it. It was on sale, and Belle said you have to get it. So I got a dinosaur.
Now
foot
to
pillow.
activate. This is the most fun part.
Launches it.
Whoa.
Sorry,
Outer
sorry.
space.
Outer space.
Yeah, okay. So now we're activating it.
I was gonna say, did we open it? Because nothing was coming out.
Okay, I think that's enough.
You did like 2 drops.
No, 5. I did 5.
My bad.
You can't count.
Ooh.
I guess
Ooh.
not.
Ooh.
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 Whoa.
You didn't even put very much in. It's like,
Oh, shucks. Ooh, shark
Jill, look at
knuckles.
that.
Okay, let's just...
Mix it in.
Don't use a measuring cup because they always make you overactivate it. Don't listen to the instructions. Eyeball it. Make it till you want it. Good enough.
Oh, do you want more of this?
It's
Like a little bit left behind.
Cha.
Oh. Ooh, bang it.
I just licked the can by accident.
Is it Monster?
It's wicked.
Wicked. That's bloody
Like, literally.
wicked. It's actually
Bloody
called
wicked. And we get the 0 because
I'm stirring it down here because it's really hard.
Oh, Wicked 0.
Go us.
With a dragon.
Whoa.
Wow. When do you start using your hands?
Soon.
Soon. My bad. I'm still learning.
It's really easy to overactivate slime, as you could tell. It's not overactivated, hopefully.
Overactivated.
If you overdo it, makes it too hard.
And then you can't play with
And then
it.
it's not really fun
I think
to play
it's
with.
time to go in with our hands.
Ooh.
That's
Yes,
gonna
please
be
put that on
easy.
my... Yes, thank you. Thank you.
The other way around is quickly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. That's lovely.
Okay. Let's...
Oh, wow.
Oh, Oh, thank you, Taylor Jordan.
It will get off your table.
I know, but my table is covered in red paint.
It's red.
Wow.
It's not covered.
Listen to that. Here, take some of this. This was like...
It's still needing to be kneaded, as you could tell.
I'm scared you're gonna like go and like smack me in the face.
Getting knocked out.
She bought it here, so it's hard to find slime stuff in New Zealand.
Really? Oh, was this from America?
No.
This is from here, but it's hard to find it here.
Just go to Kmart.
That's true.
Ah.
All right, TJ.
Okay, you're getting.
What else do you have to do when you make?
Okay, let's.
Oh,
Let's tidy up the table.
oh, look at that. Cleaned it up actually quite nicely.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. I'm still kneading it, and I'm still getting some excess out of the bowl. And yeah, so this is the end of the video. We might do another video for clear and another white slime glue. So yeah, bye.
Bye.